my brother sent me your link through TikTok, and I was like, I already had a job done on the car, and I was like, man, it's time for me to learn something new. So I just came on down, took the class.
I researched this a lot. I actually looked into 2 other wrap companies, and both of them actually referred Allen cars.
Yeah, everything was brand new for me, where to tug and how to cut and that kind of stuff. It was really helpful.
It's a good experience, hands-on. You learn everything you need to know, and they right there showing you every bit, every part of it.
The class is not what you think it would be. You are blown away by the whole experience.
Well, for me, I mean, it was very informative. I learned a lot of things. I've tried rapping before, and I got stuck on parts that I didn't know how to get past. You being there and your partner guiding us, it helped me clear up some of those issues I had. I'm ready to rap now.